do essential oils expire?
Ah, very good question.
Right? Because, I mean, it seems like everything's got an expiration date on it that we see that we can buy. Put it in the house, it sits there for a year. Is it still good? Can we still use it? So the short answer is no. Good quality, right? Properly distilled essential oils, they don't expire. But there's some caveats here. So you need to make sure that they're stored properly, right? Because if they're not, they can oxidize, right? If the cap isn't on tight or whatever, they can oxidize, okay? Which will affect their aroma and their efficacy, okay? And it could lead actually to toxicity issues, right? If we're not careful,
Okay.
especially if it's a low grade, essential oil like you would find at the store down the street, right? But see, here's a really cool point, and that is about citrus essential oils. Okay, so citrus essential oils in particular are damaged quickly in temperatures above 90 degrees Fahrenheit. So here in San Antonio, Texas, that's like, I don't know, 11
Every
months
day?
out of the year, right?
That's like our winter, 90 degrees.
So we got to make sure we don't leave these in the car, kind of a thing, right? With the citrus essential oils in particular. So the best way to store your essential oils is in an airtight glass container, which most of them come that way. Just make sure the lid's on good and avoid extreme temperatures. Keep them out of direct sunlight, that kind of thing. So I thought that was kind of a cool, really good question. I thought I'd share that with everyone.